Hello students and welcome to Math 135 Introduction to Statistics. My name is Asma and I will be your instructor for this course. I will show you in this video how you can get started on your online class and where to find the resources necessary to complete this course. So let's get started. Hi students and welcome back. This is the D2L shell that I was talking about. This is D2L shell for Math 135 Introduction to Statistics. As you notice here that you have in the front page that you'll be directed to when you first click on your course, you will be directed to this page which shows you the announcement box right here. I will be posting announcements every week, providing links and essential information for you to follow for that week. To get started on your online course, you need to click on the Content tab. This will take you to different modules that you'll need to work on. Those modules are arranged by week, so each module will have 2 weeks. For example, for the first week and the second week, you should click on this module. And then to start working on the first week, you're going to click on the sub-module that says Week 1 Resources. You're going to read all of those notes, which are PowerPoint presentations, and then you're going to watch all of those videos. Make sure you understand the material very well. And here's an optional data set I provided in an Excel spreadsheet for you to practice the videos that I provided, to practice the information using the videos that I provided. After you're done with the first week resources, you're going to go to My Open Math homework sets, and you're going to start working on your first homework. So let's say I clicked on my first homework set. And as you noticed, I'm going to start on my first question right here. And then I will answer that question randomly. For now, you're not going to answer that randomly. You're going to read the question and try to answer to the best of your knowledge. And then I'm going to submit my answer. As you can see, my answer was wrong. So I said, I'm curious, and I'm going to click on question number 3. And then I go like, okay, so it's the same type of question. Let me go and answer the previous question. And all of a sudden, the submit button is gone. Don't panic. You can make it reappear again by clicking the reattempt this question. And then you're going to switch the answer and click submit. Please read carefully. Those types of questions are meant to teach you something. So take notes and make sure you understand the rationale behind each question. You'll notice that you will have unlimited attempts for each question if you're working on your homework sets. So please do your best and please work hard on your homework sets because that is an essential part of your learning journey for this online course. You'll notice also that you will have a date and a time that specifies the time you should be done with your assignment. That is the due date. This is going to change when we start the semester. This is not an updated one. I will update those dates. And then to navigate to the next homework set, you can click Next, which is this arrow right here. Or if you prefer, you can go back to the content and do the process all over again. If you click on the Start Here module, you're going to see that you will have the rules of Netiquette for online discussions and the rubric as well. Go ahead and read these. Make sure you familiarize yourself with what is expected from you. And you will also find the syllabus and the schedule for this course when I post them. And I will make sure that they are there before the beginning of the semester. Another useful module is the free textbook. Here's the free textbook for you to use. So if the resources I provided are not clear enough and the discussions that we had during that week were not helpful for you, you can always refer to the textbook and you can read the materials from the textbook and make sure that you understand the concept very well. And you will know that if you answer your homework sets correctly. Now, the homework sets, please, I urge you to read carefully each and every question. Watch the videos provided for you to make sure that you understand it very well. And then if you exhausted all of your resources, go ahead and ask me questions. I will answer those questions twice a week. What I want to talk about is the quizzes and tests. For this class, you will need to take 3 quizzes and 2 tests besides the final test. And you will find the links right here. So if you click on the quizzes module, you're going to see the quizzes required from you. Right now, there are no quizzes required from you. I will post the announcement along with a link to the quiz required from you, and I will make the announcement 1 week ahead of time to let you know that you will have a quiz on a specific day and you have to prepare yourself. I will leave the quizzes open for 2 days, so if one day does not work for you, the other day is going to work for you, or the next day is going to work for you. Make sure before you click on any of those links that you are actually very ready and you don't have any distractions around you, because once you click on the link, there is no going back. Once you leave, your time is going to run out and your score is going to be how many questions you answered during the session. When you close the session and the time has passed, you will be kicked out of the session. And when you go back, you will find out that your quiz has closed or your test has closed, and there is no way for you to go back and fix that. So make sure that you're ready when you take a quiz or a test before you start it. Another thing that I want to mention is the discussion tab. I will be posting links to the discussion for every week. We will use this platform to try to answer your questions, and we will try to collaborate as a class to answer each and every question here. Make sure that you use this platform to clarify anything before you ask me any questions. I will be happy to answer any questions for you, but if it's on the discussion, then I will refer you to the discussion thread so you can read through all of the posts and find your answer. Another thing that I want to mention is the grades. So you can check your grades by clicking on the grade tab at the top, and that will lead you to your grade book. As you see, my overall grade is 3.57. I want you to keep an eye on your grade the entire time and make sure that you have the appropriate grade. If you don't, let me know, and I will try to work on that with you. For this course, again, you will need to take 2 exams besides the final exam and 3 quizzes. The exams, the 2 exams are worth 40% of your grade. The quizzes, the 3 quizzes are worth 15% of your grade. The final exam is worth 25% of your grade, and your homework is worth 20% of your grade. That's a lot. Please do your homework, because that is the only way you're going to understand the materials. You notice here that I have a grade of 3.57 for my first homework set because I answered 1 single question. This usually updates within 24 hours, so if it does not reflect your actual grade, just wait for 24 hours. And if it still does not reflect your actual grade, let me know and I will fix it. And you're going to have 14 homework sets for this class, along with the final review that is required from you as well. So I hope that this video helped you understand how you can get started on your online course, and I wish you the best of luck. Thank you.